Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I got a question about an air filter replacement on a small engine, specifically for a lawnmower. It appears that the lawnmower in question was one from Australia. By doing a little bit of research on it, it looks like it's got a Briggs & Stratton engine on it, which should be similar to the one seen later on in this video. Not all of them are exactly the same, but I wanted to show you two different types of air filters so you can hopefully change the one on your machine.
The first thing you're going to want to do is find your fuel tank and follow underneath it. Look for the hose, and that's going to connect to your carburetor. Your carburetor is going to have your air filter directly in front of or on top of it in most cases. In this case, you just pop the tab off at the top, take your old one out, and put your new one on. And then you reverse the process, putting the cover back on. Now, this other style is on a Tecumseh engine. This happens to be a leaf vac. And again, you're following the hose from the gas tank to the carburetor. In this case, it has a bowl with a primer. And on top of it, this one has a foam style air filter. Take it out and replace it, and that's it.
Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day.